The Schleuniger CrimpCenter 6 Series machines are fully automatic swivel arm crimping machines for high-speed wire processing. Depending on the machine model, they can be configured with up to 4 to 7 processing stations. Designed for maximum speed, precision, fast changeovers, and long-term durability, various configuration possibilities allow for a variety of applications to be processed. Compatible with Schleuniger's innovative tooling shuttle system, applicator and terminal changes are minimized by combining the crimp applicator, terminal reel, and paper winder into one mobile unit, which can be set up offline. To reduce machine downtime, the CrimpCenter 6 Series machines utilize quick change mechanisms, wire feed assist, and integrated lighting. With weather seal applications becoming more commonplace, the optional SL3100 seal station satisfies the requirements of this increasing trend. Suitable for virtually all types of seals, the SL3100 will accept a variety of seal kit types and requires minimum changeover effort. Production parameters are entered via the touchscreen. All parameters, such as wire data, crimp data, or seal data, can be saved and retrieved for future use. Dynamic, powerful servo drives combined with an intelligent control system yield high production rates to meet the most demanding production schedules. Continuous Crimp Force Monitoring, or CFM, guarantees the highest levels of crimp quality. The integrated CFM unit enables the early identification of potential failure tendencies and allows for countermeasures to be taken well before scrap can be generated. The optional Crimp Height Measurement System, or CHM, is an integrated measuring device and automatically transmits the measured crimp height values to the EASY software. In case of deviation from the nominal value, the crimp height can be adjusted with the touch of a single button, and the correction is applied to the subsequent production. Tensile strength, or pull force, is another important component of an ideal crimp connection. The optional pull test measuring device measures the force required to separate the terminal from the wire and transfers the results of the test to the CrimpCenter. The EASY software analyzes the measurement, indicates the force data, and gives the go-ahead for further production. Smart Detect is a highly innovative quality monitoring system for Schleuniger CrimpCenters. This optional sensor-controlled system monitors the complete stripping process in real time and detects any contact between the stripping blade and the conductor. This provides for improved production quality without sacrificing performance. The optional wire cam system monitors the stripping results and certain properties of the seal position. A picture is taken of the end of the processed wire as it is in motion or on the fly. Based on a two-dimensional top view image, the software inspects each individual wire end and compares it with the reference data in real time. Limiting machine downtime to the absolute minimum is a keystone for production. With this in mind, consumables are designed to be quickly and easily replaced and without the need for tools. To further optimize production, the CrimpCenter 6 series can be easily integrated into any network using standard TCP/IP. The optional Easy Production Server software can be used to network all of your CrimpCenter machines and allows for the central management of production orders and distribution of the orders to individual CrimpCenter machines. Take your production optimization to the next level with Schleuniger's Manufacturing Execution System, CAO. CAO takes over the planning and monitoring of all wire processing machines. It extracts data from the order management system, for example, ERP, and compiles consistent orders. These are grouped according to the best workflow principle and assigned to individual machines. In particular, this enables clients with various order volumes and small batch sizes to produce more efficiently and to have access to relevant production and machine data. Schleuniger's fully automatic CrimpCenter 6 series machines are the ideal solution for high-speed wire processing. With a full range of processing stations and optional accessories, these machines maximize productivity for a broad spectrum of applications.